Hi, good day. So for today's video, I would like to show you how to solve some problem using Z-score formula. So let's go. Number 1. In a multiple choice examination in chemistry, Maria and Juana received scores of 82 and 65 respectively. If these scores are equivalent to z-score of 1.6 and 0.2 respectively, what are the mean of the standard deviation of the score of all students who took the examination? So first, kunin po natin yung given. X number 1 equals 82 and our x number 2 equals 65. Our z number 1 equals 1.6 and z number 2 is equals to negative 0.2. So the formula of z-score is z equals x minus m over standard deviation. So z number 1 equals x number 1 equals mean. 1.6 equals 82 equals m. So over standard deviation. 1.6 then transfer here. Standard deviation equals 82 minus m. So 1.6 plus m equals 82. So yung 1.6 is standard deviation and m equals 82. So number 2, z number 2 equals x number 2 minus mean over standard deviation. So, lagyan lang po natin ng substitute dito. I-substitute lang po natin. Negative 0.2 equals 65 minus m over standard deviation. So, negative 0.2 standard deviation equals 65 mean. So, yun na po. Yung standard deviation natin is maging 0.2 and 65 po yung mean natin. So, dito po tayo substitution para makuha natin yung standard deviation. 1.6 standard deviation plus 65 plus 0.20 equals 82. 1.6 standard deviation plus 65 plus 0.20 equals 82. So, kunin lang po natin yung parenthesis niya. So, 1.8 ito po, inad lang po natin to silang dalawa. Ito. Plus 65 equals 82. So, 1.8 standard deviation equals 82 minus 65. So, 1.8 standard deviation equals 82 minus 65 equals 17 over. So, para po makuha natin yung value ng standard deviation, i-divide lang po natin siya both side by 1.8. So, standard deviation equals 9.44. So, next is substitute for mean. So, negative 0.2 standard deviation plus mean equals 65. 0.2 yung standard deviation natin is 9.44. Ilagay lang po natin dito. Plus mean equals 65. So, 1.88. Ito na po yun. Ging multiply po. Plus mean equals 65. So, lagay natin dito yung mean equals 65. Dahil negative 2, magiging plus 1.88. So, magiging mean equals 66.88. Number 2, in a certain test in English, the main score of the group of 200 students was 56 and the standard deviation was 12. In a test in chemistry, the mean was 68 and the standard deviation was 8. If the student scored 65 in English and 75 in chemistry, in which test did she perform better? Ito. Given, dito sa English, may mean tayo na 56, standard deviation na 12, and our x is equal 65. Dito naman sa chemistry, we have mean 68, standard deviation 8, and our x is equal 75. So, let's find, this is our solution in our English subject. The formula is z equals x minus mean over standard deviation. So, substitute lang natin yung value niya dito. Z equals 65 minus 56 equals, over 12 equals 9 over 12. So, our Z score is 0.75. So, in chemistry subject, Z equals 75 minus 68 equals 7. So, over 8, our Z score is equal 0.875. So, therefore, she performed better in chemistry test. In an examination in statistics, the mean score was 65 and the standard deviation was 15. Find the z-score of the following student who have the following scores. Letter A, 100, B, 45, and letter C, 80. So, number 3, our given is mean equals to 65, standard deviation equals to 15. So, in our number 1, our x is equals to 100. So, to solve, z-score equals x minus m over standard deviation. So, 100 less 65 over 15 equals 35 over 15, or z-score equals to 2.33. So, letter B, 45 yung x natin. Z-score equals x less mean over standard deviation. Z equals to 45 less 65 equals negative 20 over 15. Then, z-score equals to negative 1.33. Letter C, x equals to 80, z-score equals to x less mean over standard deviation. Z-score equals to 80 less 65 equals 15 over 15, or z-score equals to 1.